That's why it's so amazing, because you might already have a following and you don't have to start from scratch. So let's talk about it. What is an official artist channel? And if you are an artist, should you be using it? In the game of music marketing, strategy is everything. Okay, so how do you actually qualify and set up an official artist channel? My name is Kendra, and I work with artists to help them optimize their YouTube channels so that they can focus on what's most important, which is the music. An official artist channel helps bring together all of your subscribers. If you have distributed music using platforms like CD Baby, Tunecore, or Distrokid, all of those have an option to distribute your music on YouTube. I was recently working with an artist who didn't even realize that he had a great number of subscribers on his topic channel. When we took that small channel and claimed it as an official artist channel, it jumped up to 993 subscribers like that. That's why it's so amazing, because you might already have a following and you don't have to start from scratch. YouTube official artist channels will merge the two channels into one. How can you tell if you have an official artist channel? There's going to be a little music note next to the name. That's how you know that it is the official artist channel. Okay, so how do you actually qualify and set up an official artist channel? First things first, you want to make sure that you're actually eligible for one. Let's take a look at what they say. Okay, so to be eligible for an OAC, you have to meet the following requirements. First of all, you have to set up a basic YouTube channel. You need to have a Gmail address that you use to create a channel that is specifically dedicated to your band or to your music. That's what I do. So people hire me to set up that channel, to get the branding all on point, and to help it look nice and official and professional so that you can grow your audience. So that's the first step. The second thing that you are going to need is you have to have music that has been distributed to YouTube. So if you haven't even released any music yet, you're not going to be able to set up an official artist channel. What you need to do first is you need to go to a music distributor like Distrokid and release your first single. When you release it, you want to make sure that YouTube is checked as an option for releasing the music. What happens when you do that is that music distribution platform will create a topic channel for you. In order to get an official artist channel, you have to start with two channels. You've got your general YouTube channel that you set up, and you've got the topic channel that was created for you by your music distributor. Okay, are you with me so far? I know this is complicated, which is basically why I have a job, because people pay me to do this for them, because I know it can be tricky. Let's keep looking at the requirements. Third thing that you want to make sure is that you are meeting all of the community guidelines of YouTube. YouTube is a family-friendly business. They want to make sure that everyone is doing things legally and the right way. Generally, as long as you are an honest person, you're not stealing other people's work, you are being appropriate, you're gonna be fine. You're not gonna have any strikes against you. Okay, the next thing on your checklist in order to set up your official artist channel is you need to have an official partnership with YouTube. Now there's two ways that you can do that. If you want, you could go in and apply for the YouTube Partner Program, the YPP, but the easier option is just to make sure that you're already working with someone that's automatically a partner. Generally, all of the major music distributors are already partners with YouTube. So you can go in, I'll include the link to the list of approved partners with YouTube, but if you have distributed your music with any of the main players like CD Baby, Tunecore, Distrokid, the main three, you already meet this requirement because they are a partner with YouTube already. So this one's easy to check off. If you have distributed your music with a smaller, more independent music distributor, you might need to double check that it qualifies. And there you have it. Now that you know that you qualify, how do you actually set it up? To set up an official artist channel on YouTube, you don't actually do it on YouTube. You do it through your music distributor. Remember, you have two channels when you start. You've got the music distributor topic channel that's just the album release, and you've got the YouTube channel you created. In order to merge them, that process doesn't happen on YouTube. It happens on your distributor site. If you go in and to your distributor, you can usually type in YouTube into the support bar and they will give you a link of where you can claim that artist channel. And this is a pretty quick process. So the last time I did that, I logged into my most recent client that I was helping. They use CD Baby, and it was very clear. We just typed in YouTube in the search bar, it popped up, and it gave us an option to claim an official YouTube artist channel. This is where we were able to search for the YouTube channel that we had created over using the Gmail and link it to the music distributor. Those are the basics of the official artist channel. Now let's talk more about setting up that original YouTube channel for your band or for you as a solo musician.